Hey everyone, today I have something interesting for gamers, YouTubers or streamers who are just starting out and don't want to spend a lot of money on their equipment. This is the FIFINE AmpliGame AM8. In this video I will do a quick unboxing, a review and a comparison between this and normal microphone. Links to buy are right at the top of the description, and thanks to FIFINE for sending me this product. So as you can see, the packaging of this 50 euros microphone is compact and well protected. Inside the box you receive the user's guide, which you probably won't need since it's plug and play, a metal desk stand with a heavy base and the microphone itself. The first thing I noticed about this product is the really good build quality. Even though it's made of plastic and it's an affordable microphone, it doesn't feel cheap at all. It's lightweight but solid, so you kind of get the impression of a quality product. You also get a USB-C to USB cable with an adapter for USB-C, which is great if you want to connect it to your phone like I usually do to record audio for my videos. I really like the matte black color of this microphone. It gives it a clean, minimalist look that I really like, but it's also available in white and pink. Setting it up is as simple as plug into your computer, select it in the settings, and you're ready to go. You don't need to install any software or additional drivers. As you can see, there are two knobs, one to adjust the microphone gain and another to control the volume when monitoring the audio through headphones, which you can connect via this port. You can also change the lighting of the RGB strip using the touch-sensitive button on the top. The only thing that I don't like that much about this microphone is the mute button on the back. It's very sensitive and you might accidentally mute the mic when adjusting or grabbing it, so you will need to be a bit careful with that. That said, it's still easily accessible when you need it. Okay, here's the USB mode at 60% gain. I recommend listening this with headphones so you can better appreciate the differences in audio quality. I'm about 10 centimeters away, speaking in a normal conversational tone with any audio effects. Now here's how it sounds with effects of compression, noise suppression, noise gate and a 3-band equalizer in OBS. And this is also how I recorded the rest of the audio in this video. And now here's how my old microphone sounds. It's just a built-in mic from my phone. And as you can hear, there's a huge difference in quality. Switching back to the AM8, now I'll move around the mic so you can hear how the direction and volume change. For the best sound quality, you need to speak directly into the front of the microphone as many others at this price point, so it's kind of a normal thing. And also, one thing that I have noticed is that you can hear when I tap the mic. However, I think that you won't be tapping your mic that often, right? Note that you can get even better audio quality using the XLR mode, but I don't have an XLR cable or an audio interface, so I only use it via USB. And honestly, most of you will probably use it with USB as well, because it's easier. A lot of people who own this mic will agree with me that it offers excellent audio quality for anyone just starting out in streaming, podcasting, content creation as I do, or even gaming, without having to spend a lot of money on expensive gear, and gives you room to upgrade later by switching to XLR mode with an audio interface, without needing to buy a whole new mic. If you check out other reviews on YouTube, you will hear pretty much the same feedback, and remember, this mic costs about 15 euros, and you can get it from even less. So I think that it's an interesting gadget to have it on your setup, especially if you're a content creator. Because remember that investing in audio quality will definitely elevate your videos. Believe me, sound can make or break your content. It's just as important as good lighting. And I'm not the only one saying this, that viewers will often forgive less than perfect visuals if the audio is clear, because sound is what draws us into the content when you have a good topic as well. This microphone gives you the audio quality that you need to start creating content right away. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments and I'll be happy to reply.